Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. No longer have storage on your iPad, and you want to transfer all your photos to your computer? In this video, I'll show you how you can do this. Let's go. There are several reliable methods available to transfer photos from your iPad to Windows. The first method is to use a USB cable. This approach lets you directly access the DCIM folders where your iPad stores its photos through File Explorer. To do this, connect your iPad to your PC with a USB cable. Unlock your iPad and tap Trust when prompted. On your PC, open File Explorer. In the left sidebar under this PC or Devices and Drives, you should see your iPad listed. Double-click on it. Go on to Internal Storage, then open the DCIM folder. Inside, you'll find one or more folders containing your photos and videos. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer. Ctrl+A to select all, or Ctrl+click for multiple selections. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. Navigate to a folder on your PC where you want to save the photos, for example here, your Pictures folder. Right-click in an empty space and then select Paste. For a more convenient way to transfer photos, especially smaller batches, you can use wireless methods to avoid cables. Let's use iCloud syncing for Windows. This is an excellent way to keep your photos synced. First thing to do is to enable iCloud Photos on your iPad. To do this, on your iPad, open Settings. Tap on Your Name. Go to iCloud. Then Photos, and make sure Sync This iPad or iCloud Photos on older iPad OS is toggled on. Choose Download and Keep Originals if you want full resolution photos on your iPad for faster local access. Next, on your PC, go to iCloud.com. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Go to Photos, and finally download the images. But the most effective one is using a third-party tool. This offers more advanced features, including selective transfer, backup, and sometimes even HEIC conversion. This tool can easily move all your stuff, like photos, videos, contacts, and messages, from one iPhone to another, or between your iPhone and your Windows or Mac. You can even move things to or from an Android phone. Another big reason to use it is for backing up and restoring your data. You can make a full copy of your iPhone's data to keep it safe, and if something happens, you can bring it all back, or even choose just specific things to restore. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the tech specifications. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen. And click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.